In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website with Hostinger website builder templates in under 10 minutes. We're going to keep this simple and practical using a pre-made template instead of building everything from scratch, so you can get a professional looking site online fast. One thing to watch for is that this only works smoothly if you already have hosting and later on a domain ready to connect. And I'll show you exactly where that matters. First, head over to Hostinger and log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the website section and click into it. This is where you manage the sites attached to your Hostinger account. From there, click Add Website. If you don't see that option working for you yet, make sure you already have an active hosting plan on your account because that's required before you can create a new site with the builder. Next, choose Hostinger Website Builder. Hostinger may encourage you to use its AI builder at this point, but for this walkthrough, we're not going that route. Instead, we're going to use pre-made templates, which are great when you want speed, structure, and something that already looks polished right out of the box. So when the AI builder screen appears, click pre-made templates. That takes you into the template library where you can browse through different website designs. Now spend a moment looking through the available templates. You can browse all of them or narrow things down using categories like portfolio, e-commerce, services, and more. A helpful tip here is to hover over any template and use the preview option before choosing it. That gives you a better feel for the layout, the sections included, and whether the overall style matches the kind of site you want to create. If you're not seeing something that fits your niche right away, use the search bar. In this example, we're building a pet sitting website. So type in a keyword like pet and review the filtered results. Searching is usually the fastest way to find something close to your industry. Once you find a template you like, click Select Template. That opens the design in Hostinger's drag and drop editor and gives you a starting point for your website. Now begin editing the above the fold content, meaning the first section visitors see when they land on your homepage. Click the hero headline and replace it with your own text, such as your business name and what you offer. Then do the same for the subheadline and the button text. The nice part here is that the editing process is very straightforward. Click the text, type your new version, and you're done. That same basic mechanic applies across the rest of the template too. Continue updating the rest of the page with your own content. Replace the default copy with your benefits, pricing, reviews, and contact details. Take a few extra seconds to make sure everything sounds like your business and not like a generic template. That's one of the easiest ways to make the final site feel more trustworthy and professional. After you've customized the template, preview both the desktop and mobile versions. Use the desktop and mobile toggle in the top toolbar to switch between layouts, and then click Preview to see the site the way a visitor would. This step is important because something that looks great on desktop can sometimes feel crowded on mobile, so it's worth checking both before publishing. Next, connect your domain. In the top toolbar, click Connect Domain and choose your domain from the account. If your domain was registered through Hostinger and is already using Hostinger name servers, this part is usually very easy and doesn't require manual DNS changes. If you've already purchased your domain, you should see it in the drop-down list. Select the correct domain for this site, then click Next. Once the connection is confirmed, click Continue. Now you're ready to publish. Click Go Live in the top right corner. Hostinger will publish the site initially on a temporary Hostinger domain if needed during the process. After that, click View Site to open the live version. Finally, visit your domain in the browser and confirm that the website loads correctly. If it doesn't appear immediately, don't panic. Give it a few minutes since domain connections and publishing updates can sometimes take a little time to fully show up. And that's everything. You're all set. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and hit the like button, since it genuinely helps the channel and tells me these guides are worth making. If you got stuck anywhere along the way, or there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see next, drop it in the comments below and I'll do my best to help out. And if you want to keep up with future step-by-step guides like this one, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.